Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restore deleted photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. On the Photos, locate and click on Collections. Now scroll down the Collections page, expand Utilities. Click on Recently Deleted. Then confirm your Face ID or passcode once you click on View Album. You should see all the photos you have deleted. To restore all these photos, click on Select button at top right. Click on the three dots or select all the photos you want to restore. And then click on Recover All. Then you should see the total number of items you're about to recover. Click on Recover. And now, if you go back to the Photos app, if you both have access to all the photos you restore back from your deleted folders. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to restore deleted photos on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.